Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Garmin Fenix 8 AMOLED. To begin, power on your watch by holding the top left button for a few seconds until the Garmin logo appears. You can navigate through menus using the 5 physical buttons or by swiping the responsive AMOLED touchscreen. The top right button starts activities, while the bottom right button acts as a back or lap key. Familiarize yourself with these controls for seamless interaction. Your Fenix 8 AMOLED is a powerful health companion. It continuously monitors your heart rate, sleep patterns, and stress levels, providing valuable insights into your well-being. With over 60 preloaded sports apps, you can track nearly any activity, from running to swimming. Customize your data screens to see exactly what you need during a workout, like pace, distance, or elevation. Set daily goals to stay motivated and achieve your fitness aspirations. Explore with confidence using the Fenix 8 AMOLED Advanced Navigation. Its multi-band GPS provides exceptional accuracy, even in dense forests or urban canyons. Preloaded topographical maps guide you on trails and roads, ensuring you never get lost. Stay connected with smart notifications for calls, texts, and app alerts from your phone. Plus, enjoy the convenience of Garmin Pay for quick, contactless purchases on the go. To maximize your Fenix 8 AMOLED performance, manage its battery life effectively. Adjust display brightness and use Power Manager settings to extend usage for days or even weeks. Keep your watch clean by wiping it with a soft, damp cloth after workouts. Always use the official Garmin charging cable to ensure safe and efficient power delivery. Finally, dive into the Garmin Connect app for in-depth data analysis and further customization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.